How are the floors, you ask? Let's find out. All slope to the back side of the home. Here's what the cracks look like from the inside of the home. Nice stress crack above the door. Of course, doesn't close, not even close. Go inside the bathroom. Here's another stress crack. That one's about 1/4 inch wide. It's not good. Here's what the pressure washing crew did inside the garage. No need to test that for moisture. Here's the finished steps on the stairway. Holes where the pin nails were overdriven were never filled and sanded. And that is every step. Primary bathroom shower drain is clogged. Commode lid in the spare bathroom is damaged. Front side of the home's even worse. More stair-stepping brick cracks along that window ledge. Window frame here starting to separate from the brick veneer. Nice cracks in the stone. More separation. I can almost stick my hand in between that gap. Come over to the side. Freeze board is pushing out. More cracks on the front porch. That freeze board's pushing out too. And so is that one.
Good. Super bad.
Golf ball test. That's what the tile should sound like. And that's what it shouldn't sound like. Needs to be fixed. Upstairs spare shower. Checking the enclosure, making sure it's watertight. This one is not.
Now I've seen some stuff before, but this shoe molding here, this is crazy. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
First time seeing this on a new build. We're inspecting a model home today, and you can see they have a dog shower here. So as you know, with the model homes, they have all the add-ons pretty much in this house. This one's pretty cool. We got the detachable shower head. It's a good height there. And these doors that swing open.
Can speak from personal experience. This hurts when you come down and you're holding the rail. Damn, that hurt.
Exterior window frames are not fully sealed around the brick veneer. My only guess on this one is the contractor ran out of caulking. But either way, it needs to be fixed. Metal trim around windows is loose. Looks like the material they used didn't quite adhere to the metal.
My favorite things about this $10 million luxury home that I'm inspecting. In the kitchen, they have a couple of these little ports which are connected to a central vacuum. You'd sweep the dirt over to them, kick them on with your foot, and then you can kick it right back off. So this is a closet carousel. You would have all your clothes on this thing, and you can rotate it back and forth until you figure out what you want to wear.
The tile at the carpet transition is cracked. Carpet around the door trim is poorly cut. Primary bathroom shower enclosure is not watertight and leaking onto the floors. Spare bathroom enclosure, missing grout in between the tiles, and they are also not sealed to the wall. Nice feature, spout installed to fill up your dog's water. Genius. Here's the dog wash station. That needs to be fixed. Exterior window frames are not fully sealed around the brick veneer. My only guess on this one is the contractor ran out of caulking. But either way, it needs to be fixed. Metal trim around windows is loose. Looks like the material they used didn't quite adhere to the metal. Here's the other side that's also missing transitional flashing and has nice cracks in the mortar joints.
All right, this area looks a little sus.
Debris inside the shower's drain needs to be removed to prevent a potential blockage.
Oh always like to pop open some of the floor registers, make sure they got the ductwork nice and tight. This one is partially disconnected and we're losing some of the air below the floor.
Just so happened to be holding the handrail walking down the stairs and felt like almost cut my hand right here. What do we see?
Have a broken window in the dining room. This is going to have to get replaced. This is below the basement exterior door. Have some cracked concrete. Kind of hard to tell, but we do have a large gap below the threshold. And then they left a ton of construction debris down in this stairwell that needs to get cleared out.